Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows. First, ensure you have all your ingredients measured and ready to go. You'll need 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of cold water. Also, have 2 tablespoons of unflavored gelatin, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget powdered sugar and cornstarch for dusting. Next, let's get the gelatin and syrup ready. In a large mixing bowl, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of gelatin over 1/2 cup of cold water and let it bloom for about 5 to 10 minutes. Meanwhile, in a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine 3 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/2 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Now for the exciting part, whipping. Carefully pour the hot sugar syrup in a slow, steady stream into the bloomed gelatin mixture while beating on low speed. Once combined, increase the speed to high and beat for 12 to 15 minutes. The mixture will transform into a thick, glossy, and incredibly fluffy marshmallow. In the last minute, beat in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Finally, let's get these marshmallows ready to enjoy. Lightly grease a 9 by 13-inch baking pan and dust it generously with a mixture of powdered sugar and cornstarch. Pour the warm marshmallow mixture into the prepared pan, spreading it evenly. Let it set at room temperature for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. Once firm, invert onto a dusted surface, cut into squares, and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.